Operational excellence isn't just about adding more tools to your workflow. It's about making real improvements in how work gets done every day. That's where digital lean comes in. By blending proven lean principles with modern digital tools, digital lean helps organizations boost performance, gain better visibility, and make smarter decisions. But it's not about using technology for its own sake. The process always comes first, and digital solutions are there to support and enhance it. With digital lean, teams can reduce waste, improve flow, and create consistency across operations. Instead of relying on spreadsheets or manual tracking, you can automate processes like data capture and reporting. The result is less admin, better insights, and faster problem solving. Digital lean strengthens lean thinking, helping teams focus on performance, accountability, and continuous improvement.